This is Lesson 4, Pop's Bridge. Vocabulary. Answer numbers 1 through 10. Choose the best answer for each question. Number 1. What does the word disappears mean in the sentence below? The moon disappears when it passes behind the cloud. A gets brighter. B looks dimmer. C becomes unseen. D increases in size. Number 2. What does the word foggy mean in the sentence below? The foggy weather made it hard to see the road. F bright. G cloudy. H greedy. I happy. Number 3. What does the word crew mean in the sentence below? Dina and her crew cleaned the house. A nation. B team. C thoughts. D tools. Number 4. What does the word stretch mean in the sentence below? The rubber band will stretch if you pull on it. F disappear. G explode. H extend. I shrink. Next page. Number 5. What does the word excitement mean in the sentence below? The baby in the swing laughed and clapped with excitement. A anger. B happiness. C sadness. D sleepiness. Number 6. Using what you know about the word scribble, what does the word inscription mean in the sentence below? The inscription was for the author's mother. A pretty flower, a group of pictures, a large amount of money, a special written message. Number 7. Using what you already know about the word art, what does the word artifact mean in the sentence below? The artifact was from ancient Egypt. A. An old language. B. A book for children. C. A new way to solve a problem. D. An object made by a person in the past. Number 8. Using what you already know about the word judge, what does the word just mean in the sentence below? The teacher thought it was just to punish the whole class for their behavior. Fair, mean, sad, silly. Number 9. Using what you know about the word motion, what does the word motivate mean in the sentence below? Lisa's parents tried to motivate her to go to a special summer class. To turn in circles, to be nice to someone, to try and fix something, to push someone to do something. Number 10. Using what you know about the word hand, what does the word handmade mean in the sentence below? The pretty bench was handmade in Mexico during the 1800s. Very old, not used by people, having a lot of details, not made by a machine. Comprehension. Number 1. How are Charlie and Robert alike? They both watch the bridge go up. They both hide a piece of the puzzle. They both call the bridge Pop's Bridge. They both think painting is not an important job. Number 2. When does Robert know that his father loves the bridge? When his father calls the bridge a giant harp? When his father holds onto the bridge for safety? When everyone is excited about the bridge on opening day? When his father gives him the red handkerchief to wear around his neck? Number 3. How do Robert's feelings change when there is fog? He forgets that bridge building can be dangerous. He gets nervous because he cannot see his father easily. He grows sad because the sun does not sparkle on the water. He becomes bored because he cannot see the bridge going up. Number 4. How is Robert's father different from Charlie's father? Robert's father almost falls in the bay. Robert's father works high above the water. Robert's father says the bridge looks like a harp. Robert's father celebrates after the bridge is built. Number 5. What does Robert hide in his room? The binoculars, a puzzle piece, a red kerchief, a picture of the bridge. Number 6. How do the men act after the scaffolding accident? Angry, curious, playful, serious. Number 7. When does Robert understand that skywalkers and painters are equal? At the end of the story during the party? While watching the men fall into the water? While in bed thinking about the accident? At the beginning of the story while looking at the bridge? Number 8. What happens on the day of the bridge opening? Cars drive on the bridge. Robert's family has a party. People swim under the bridge. Charlie's father gives him a gift. Number 9. Why does Robert cut the last puzzle piece in half? To let his mom put in the last piece? To keep a hole in the picture of the bridge? To show both fathers that they are important? To share completing the puzzle with his friend? Number 10. How does Robert change by the end of the story? He understands that his father's job is not difficult. He understands that his friendship with Charlie is over. He understands that building the bridge is a team effort. He understands that Charlie's father wants to finish the puzzle. Phonics. Number 1. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? Emma put the ribbon around the box and tied it in a... Number 2. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? The bus went down a bumpy... Number 3. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? Wherever the mother hen goes, the chicks... Number 4. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? For breakfast, we will have fruit and... Number 5. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? Mom told a story about a clever fox and a silly... Number 6. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? I learned the difference between a frog and a Number 7. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? Water the plant so it will. Number 8. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? Steve went to the pond to sail his toy. Number 9. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? Hannah named the little white kitten. Number 10. Which word is correct and best completes the sentence below? If it is cold outside, put on your. Grammar. Which word is a common noun in the sentence below? Angie and I are in the 3rd grade at Burke Elementary School. Angie, I, grade, school. Which word is a common noun in the sentence below? The Colorado River passes through the city of Austin. Colorado, River, City, Austin. Which word is a common noun in the sentence below? Greg wanted to help Dad make some cookies for Marty. Greg, Dad, cookies, Marty. Number 4. Which word is a common noun in the sentence below? My cousins and I went to Houston to visit Grandma in June. Cousins, Houston, Grandma, June. Number 5. Which word is a proper noun in the sentence below? Last summer, Mrs. Roberts took a trip to the coast. Last summer, Mrs. Roberts, trip. Number 6. Which word is a proper noun in the sentence below? My friend went to the hospital so Dr. Stevens could take care of his arm. My friend, hospital, Dr. Stevens. Number 7. Which word is a proper noun in the sentence below? The twin sisters went to a new school, and their teacher was Mrs. Claude. Sisters, school, teacher, Miss Claude. Number 8. Which word is a proper noun in the sentence below? My father and Mr. Jones went to the football game last weekend. Father, Mr. Jones, football, weekend. Number 9. Which word is a noun that names a person in the sentence below? The girl was looking for shells on the beach. Girl was looking shells. Number 10. Which word is a noun that names a place in the sentence below? Todd and the captain flew to the moon in a rocket. Todd, captain, moon, rocket. And you're done.